Welcome to Merrick's Dabbling Path.
Recording. Oh yeah.
Yeah, you were saying, dude?
So what was I saying?
No, you were talking about the podcast and if
The
people
other
listen or not.
podcast and releasing, yeah, and stuff like that. Yeah, we are saying like we are not doing it like for anyone in the sense like we are not doing it. So at the end of the day, if someone is listening to this and it is helping them in some way, then
Yeah,
it's good. Like like even if it's not going to be helping, it's like probably helping us itself, like helping us speak, helping us think
exactly.
clearly, helping us like
Put our thoughts down,
yeah,
put our thoughts
put our
down,
thoughts,
communicate,
put our
whatever
thoughts
it
like
is.
true, right? And if there's somebody sitting out there and like listening to us and they're like, oh, look at these fools, they don't know what they're talking about, they sound like idiots, or they have like
Yeah,
this funny accent, or
we probably are.
whatever
We probably are
insecurity,
idiots.
yeah, like whatever insecurity they are projecting from like their own insecurity they are projecting on us, like that's what it is, right? What do you think?
Yeah, exactly. No, because dude, anyone who has like a view of like, hey man, what the fuck is this guy doing? And this guy's doing some bullshit and all that, it has some kind of hate in them. And that
Right.
hate stems from a place of, fear and kind of insecurity and all that. It's always, we've all been there. Both of us have been there before.
Been there for a
Like
while, yeah. Yeah,
24 years, 25 years of our life
25 years,
it's been
probably
like
more
that
for me, yeah.
till the
I'm
magic mushroom.
yeah,
Yeah.
you were
Yeah.
telling me, I think this was, I don't know when I spoke to you and you told me about your shroom things. And then I was like, fuck, I'll give it a go. And then I
Yeah.
was moving houses back in May. And then, so while I was cleaning up and packing some stuff, I found one dabba and it had like, it's like basically I found one, a Tupperware dabba and I had kept some shrooms in that, like probably for
Oh,
some
nice.
months. Yeah.
Oh,
And I
sick.
thought like, fuck, it's been there for so long, it would have lost its potency.
Yeah.
I
But was
weighed
it
it out.
dried?
It was dried. Yeah.
Then no.
I didn't know. No, I thought it lost its potency.
Acha, you
So,
didn't know. You didn't know. So you ate extra, what?
so like I was like, I'm going to be moving houses. Like where do I want this like tension of like it's a nice long weekend. Uh,
Yeah.
and like I weighed it out. I still to just see what it was. It was like 6 point something. I was like, fuck
Mhm.
it. I was using your scale only. I think I still have your scale, like the one. Anyways, I used it. I
Yeah.
weighed it out, and I had the whole bunch, dude. And
It's
I
crazy,
think I
no?
was like, it was intense. I was probably like under my bed sheet, and I just like in my bed like for I don't know how many hours, dude. But yeah, and then out of the blue, my phone rings, dude, and I'm like, what the fuck is that thing? Like what is
Yeah.
this phone like? Other than like the whole experience and all, like coming back out of the experience, like my phone rang and
Yeah.
like yeah, I'm getting a call, and then I forgot like, oh shit, Melissa was working and like I was meant to pick her up, but I was like,
Hmm.
fuck. But I was like in this different state, dude. Like I was like, whatever. After that phone ringing, like I snapped out of whatever I was like, and then I was like, I still had
Hmm.
like that thing in the background, but whatever I wanted, that was like happening. I don't know, I've experienced this before as well, like even on acid, like whatever I like, it's happening before I'm thinking of it happening, right? Like I don't know how to explain this, dude. Like
Hmm.
does it
But
make
how was
sense?
the feeling like?
Like I'm already putting like what I want out there and I'm getting it, like something like that, dude. It's like a very
Hello?
weird thing. Like I don't think words are going to make sense to this. Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, but it's very hard to talk about this shit because, dude,
I don't
even when
think
I
words
had
are going
my
to make
trip,
sense.
like it was like I done with Anna,
Right.
and I think we're taking like 7 or 8 grams, huh?
Oh, hard,
And
yeah.
bro, like no idea what it's gonna do. Okay, it was like, okay, yeah, Terence McKenna of heroic dose
Five
and all
grams
that
of
kind of shit,
yeah. So
was
basically, I
going
was
through
doing
my
the
head.
same thing. Yeah.
Can, can you hear me?
Yeah. I can hear you. Hello.
Hello?
Ooh,
Yeah,
yeah.
your voice is getting cracked. I
I'll
can't hear you
just close
properly.
all this internet shit. Yeah, should be good now. Yeah.
Now can
Like,
you hear me?
yeah, I can.
Yeah, the network is really bad. Now I can hear. Yeah.
Okay.
Hello.
Hello. Yeah.
Yeah, so dude, I didn't expect that trip to be fucking crazy. Okay, so then both of us did it, and like, dude, first 1 hour it was fine. Like, it was like initially coming on. It was like
Right.
that normal trip like we've had before. Like, we've done 1-2 tabs
Yeah.
of
Yeah. Yeah.
acid or general mushroom dose, that
General.
kind of
Yeah.
basic psychedelic stuff.
Yeah.
So in that point, I was like, okay, fine, this is gonna be like a normal big trip, and like I'll see weird shit on, bro. But after like 1-2 hours, I think me and Anna we had that Nang, Nangs,
Right.
NO2,
Right. Right. Right.
that stuff that we had Nangs, and bro, we did like
Nitrogen.
Nangs, okay?
Yeah.
We did like 2-3 rounds of Nangs,
Yeah.
nitrogen. Yeah, we did two
Yeah.
three rounds of nitrogen, and bro, I think after the third round, I don't know. So you know how that looping thing happens, no, on
Right.
acid and stuff.
Yeah.
On mushrooms, it's like even worse, dude.
It's
It's even
it's a
worse,
because
and
it's
plus that
like
Nangs was there.
right on mushrooms. I feel like on acid, I think like you could probably the loop is very like familiar, like, but on mushroom there's like different
Yeah.
wavelengths. Like
Mushroom
it's
is
like
alien.
weird.
It's completely alien, and it
It's
feels like you're
weird. Like
talking to an entity, like you're
yeah,
talking to a
it's
mushroom, like it
like
feels
it's
like
like
that.
and yeah, and the waves of it are weird. Like sometimes like you feel like you're out of it, and then suddenly it'll hit you hard, and suddenly it's not gonna hit you, and then suddenly it's
It comes
hitting you
back. Yeah,
again.
no,
Like
it
and
it
suddenly
it
it
it,
hits
it
you and
mellows down, and then it gets
goes
crazy.
like yeah,
Yeah,
and then it
it'll
gets
mellow
like
down
really intense,
slowly. It
and then
comes
it
in
comes
waves.
as like yeah, it
Exactly.
comes
Yeah.
yeah like a and there's
Very
no
different to acid. Very different to
yeah,
acid.
and I feel in acid like there's like a rhythm of those waves, like probably a similar rhythm those waves come in mushroom these there's no rhythm, like it's just like some crazy
Yeah.
shit that like
And
keeps
bro, I,
hitting
I
you and
read
like
this cool comment. I read this cool comment on YouTube. It said like acid is like Star Wars and
okay.
mushrooms is like Lord of the Rings. Yeah, no.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, dude. So that mushroom trip now, bro, after the Nangs,
Yeah.
like I completely like fucking bro, I was out of it. And I've never experienced, so you can call it an ego death or whatever, but bro, I can't put words to that. Like I still get
Exactly.
shivers
So
right
to
now.
some things you
Because in
can't
that
put words
point,
to, yeah.
I was out like some fucking place. I was there, but I still existed. I don't know what the fuck happened. But after that, bro, I just came back and just started crying. And then I got memories of all my trauma and shit, bro. Like I had a lot of sexual abuse and shit in my childhood. All that
Okay.
shit came back, huh, dude? And I'd
Right.
never had any idea of this. Like I never, I don't know, probably like shoved it in my subconscious or something like that. But like after
Exactly.
that
Yeah.
trip, I started feeling all that shit. But once I felt all that, I didn't feel like any sadness or something towards it. It was like,
Mm.
oh fuck, like gratitude, I'm still alive, I've got a family, this, that kind of shit, that kind of mushroom gratitude you feel,
Right.
And
Right.
then,
Right.
bro, after that 1 month, I was completely in that state. I don't know. There's this thing called neurogenesis. So basically, that's what it does. When you have like a high dose of mushrooms, it fucks with your neurons or whatever the fuck and keeps,
Right.
I think it expands your nerves, like, and it creates more pathways, neurological pathways in your brain.
Mm.
So through that, it creates more nerve endings, and your brain is
Yeah.
able to access different points of like
Yeah,
which you could never access before.
Yeah, it basically
So
like
you
yeah
can get
gives
out
you
of
more
like
pathways.
depression,
Basically,
like
yeah, it gives you
all
more
that kind of
pathways.
shit through that.
Gives you different pathways even. You could. That's why like they are like
Exactly.
planning on
Neurological
using,
pathways. Yeah, exactly.
that's why they're planning on using it to like cure addicts and people from PTSD and depression and all that.
Yeah,
right?
but bro, the thing is, no, but yeah, bro, there's a lot of fucking good research by John Hopkins and all that shit right
John
now.
Hopkins and all.
But the
Maps.
problem is, bro, these big pharma companies, no, the big pharma companies, bro, they can't patent it. No,
Exactly.
it's like
exactly.
mushrooms. Anybody can fucking grow it.
Okay.
And then
what I
the
was,
moment they realize that, oh fuck, there's a cure to depression, that means
yeah.
America.
No,
There's
what,
no,
what
like,
I was
pills
saying
and
is
stuff they can sell, like
Yeah.
fucking Xanax and shit.
exactly. Check out this place, this website in Australia, Mind Medicine Australia. Okay, and if you have time,
Okay.
I would have like I don't have the time now, like for like how I've like whatever I've been doing, like I really don't have the time, but I would have loved to do it. But see if you have the time and if you're interested, if you want to volunteer with them, dude.
Okay, sweet, dude. What are these guys about?
These guys are Mind Medicine Australia. They are already on the verge of legal, like pushing the Australian government to legalize
Oh fuck, yeah, wait.
therapeutic
Yeah,
treatment.
fuck yeah, I'd be interested as fuck, bro. Because
Exactly,
this
exactly.
is like
This is
something
like
I really
some
want to get into. I want to
because
I think it's the future of
I was
psychiatry.
I was a volunteer over there with them for a bit, but then I dropped it because
What's
of
it called
time.
again, dude? I'll type
Mind
it down right
Medicine
now. What's it called
Australia.
again?
Mind Medicine Australia. I could probably
Mind.
introduce you to them
M-I-N-E
as well.
or mind?
Mind You're away from the mic. Medicine,
Yeah, got it.
Australia. Yeah, I can probably introduce you to them, dude, because I'm still a registered
Fuck yeah, dude. I would love it.
volunteer. Yeah,
I would love to do that.
yeah, that's
Because
what
dude,
like
I really see potential in these things, and I really would like,
I
you know,
actually
like these things to be legal, man.
at a certain
And also
point,
controlled.
at a certain point, like probably a year ago, I was like, fuck, I'm gonna drop everything and like similar pathway of where you are now, I could say. Like I was like totally into like
Yeah.
listening to all these guys. Like I was not listening to Eckhart Tolle, but like listening to Ramdas and listening to this guy and listening to that guy. And then it's like
Yeah.
that's what I want to do. Like that's what I want to do. Like I would just want to like. So then I was like researching. Okay, how do I become like how do I get like something where I can like become like a meditation, some like teach people how to meditate or teach people how to like
Mhm.
do I need a qualification or like something like that.
Yeah.
And then like with Mind Medicine Australia, like we don't have a psychology degree, but if we had like a counselor or like a psychology degree, we can be like these how do you say it, I don't know what they're called, but we'll be like a person offering treatment to like a PTSD, someone who's suffering from PTSD. So we'll be
Yeah.
like we'll have like a limit on the dosage, so we'll get something, we'll be like dosing them, but we'll be like guiding them like through their trauma and through their this thing.
Yeah.
But that's if like you are a counselor or you are a psychiatrist, then you're able to do that. But other than that, like if you just want to volunteer as like someone who's raising funds or someone who's like promoting the business,
Yeah,
and
I'll
someone
just
who's
start
like
volunteering, bro, because I don't have
yeah,
expertise in
yeah,
like being a shaman or whatever. You know, I've
exactly,
never done
exactly.
that,
That's
so I'm
not
not
for us.
comfortable.
That's not for us.
And bro,
But
you know, like with this stuff with psychedelics, also there's a downside. You know what happened, right? Like there's always
yeah, exactly. There's like
off switch
multiple
to the stuff.
downsides. Oh, I
There's an
don't
off
think
switch to
you.
the stuff.
Yeah. So like what happened? Yeah, in reference to what happened back when I don't know what year what year was that? 2018, 2019.
2018, we had an experience. No, our common
Yeah,
friend actually.
yeah. Exactly. But then after that, 2019, you were not in Victoria, right?
No, I was not in Victoria.
So then in 2019, there was another gig, the same gig.
Mm.
So that was like the same gig of what it was called. What was that one called? I can't remember, but it was this space mission. So this is the round.
Aquarian
like,
Dreams, I think it was
no,
called
no, no,
Aquarian Dream.
Space mission.
Space Mission, yeah. Space
Yeah.
Mission.
So there was another one that happened again in November. This time
Okay.
Melissa was down as well. And then there was another group of kids that came along. They probably came along through. So at that point, these other friends of ours were like running like a cafe in Burwood, right? So they
Yeah.
were promoting it through there. So there's like another group of kids that came along, and it happened to another girl.
Where she flipped.
Same thing, like,
Okay.
and it kept going on for some days. But only thing with her, like her parents probably taken her home within a month
Okay.
of it happening. Yeah, they took her home. Probably.
Is she back to normal now?
I'm not sure, bro. Like I briefly knew her.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because with that other girl also, I'm not sure if she's back to normal, bro. Like
Yeah,
I
so,
think
like,
it's
yeah.
over, you know.
Yeah. So what happened was, like, so she was getting back home, like her friends from here told her folks, okay, like something has gone wrong. So like her parents spoke to her, like why don't you come home? She's going back
Yeah.
home, like on the flight. I think she had a layover at Singapore airport, and over there she got arrested, bro, at Singapore airport.
Arrested.
Yeah,
But for
doing
what?
some chaotic shit.
Oh,
And like
shit.
and like one.
But didn't she have a permit saying that she's mad or something like that? or
Nothing
she's
like
got a-
that, bro. So like so
didn't
all
have that?
like, so it didn't go to that extreme over here. Like nobody took her like to a, you know what I'm saying? Like no, it didn't go to the hospital level. Nobody
Oh,
put her
fuck.
there. So over there he got arrested. And then one morning I get a call like, fuck, do you know anyone like from that same person? And like, do you know anyone in Singapore? Like, I'm like, what the fuck is happening, dude? Like,
Yeah.
firstly, I barely know you, like, and like you're calling me, and like, I was like, what happened? Like, no, I probably know someone. Like, let's see. I don't know. Like, I like. I
So the
probably,
girl
like,
calls you up.
yeah. So I like I barely know, like, but yeah, I knew someone in Singapore. Like, let me see what I can do. I've reached out to some friends over there. But like this is like totally because you know how that Singaporean government, it's like something else only over there.
They're very
right?
strict. Yeah, with
Yeah.
drugs and stuff, they're like really strict.
So I don't know what happened, dude. Like I wasn't in touch, but like I probably got in touch with her friends. I think her parents had to come back to that airport and like take her from there,
Yeah.
something like that, dude. But I think it was like a
Because dude, what I've
different
realized is
but
with
bad.
yeah, with some people know if they have like family history of this schizophrenia and all this kind of
Schizophrenia and
shit,
all
you know,
that,
they should
right,
stay
right.
away, bro. Like
You're right.
completely stay away. And bro, that's why I'm saying, like, bro, it needs to be legalized and like it needs to be kind of regulated. There need to be
Regulated.
fucking treatment
So
centers,
yeah,
treatment centers, like people, doctors kind of assessing you, like, you know,
yeah.
like a questionnaire when you come in. Hey, bro,
Mhm.
like, you know, fuck, do you have this? Do you have kind of family conditions? How bad is your trauma? This,
Yeah,
that,
yeah. It should not
and
be
kind
like
of
a
guiding you
street
through all
drug.
things, giving you a trip. Yeah, not a street drug. Because, dude,
Yeah.
even like, you know how it is, bro. Even we've experimented, but it could have gone fucking south, you know?
Exactly.
You never know. Dude, because even
Exactly.
that mushroom trip that I had, bro, I could have gone psychotic also because I was probably in that level. If I couldn't handle it or like, you know,
Right,
I would have lost my mind in that point because it was, bro, I was completely not here and was like a full, like psychotic episode. It felt like that, you know? But if in case I had some kind of family history with
Mhm.
regards to that, I would never be the same anymore, you know what I mean?
Right.
So yeah, that's what it needs to be very like kind of
So
these
yeah,
things are
so
very
coming
touchy,
back
bro.
to like what Mind Medicine Australia is doing, check them out. They usually have like these
I'll
conferences
check them out. Yeah.
where you can jump in and be like an audience member, and where all these
Oh, sick.
like future therapists are going to be talking, and like you know you can just be like understanding what their
Nice,
aim
man.
is like of what they are doing. And these guys are also like all these old school cool cats. They talk about like
Oh,
how they had
sick.
to go like outside of Australia to have like a shamanic like to have like a
Experience. Yeah.
ayahuasca experience,
And
and
bro,
like how
actually,
they've done that.
ayahuasca grows here natively because they have
I
the
know, and
acacia
these
bush,
guys
no?
talk about it, and like
Yeah. This friend of mine, Hari, so this guy is like heavy into this stuff, bro, into this
yeah
5-MeO and heavy,
yeah
bro, heavy. So, but this guy, again, like he's like again, like coming back to like you know that presence and stuff like that. He's
hmm
found that, but he had that extreme 5-MeO experience where he saw nothing. Like you know, bro basically 5-MeO is like you basically see this white light and you are that white light and nothing else exists, and
Hey,
it feels like bliss.
talking about a white light, it happened to me on LSD, dude.
On LSD, yeah, fuck yeah, bro. Because
It
that's
like
like I don't know. That's what people say is like that's the ultimate like you know source. That's where
no, dude, like
you're
everything is gone, like nothing, just like white, just white.
yeah. That's the
It
experience of
happened to me
5-MeO
on,
DMT also.
it happened to me at the same at the same place or the event that where this girl had this hectic experience that I was just talking about.
But how long did it happen for? And like did it happen during
It
your peak or
I don't
like
know
you know
whether that's the
initially?
peak or not the peak. It probably happened on like looking at it, it probably happened. It could have been the peak. I can't remember when I had dosed myself, but it could have been the peak.
Okay.
If I had dosed myself late in the night, because this was like towards the morning that it happened.
Okay.
Yeah, I probably dosed myself late in the night, probably happening towards like the early morning. I was like, it was raining. I was sitting in a car, the events going on there,
Hmm.
and it was just like white, dude. I couldn't move,
Yeah,
nothing.
like
Yeah, like
white
I'm
light
out
and
of
you
it, dude. It's
yeah
just like white.
yeah
I don't know. I didn't know what it was, dude. And I was
yeah
stuck. I probably
yeah
stuck for a good, I don't know how long. I can't say how
yeah.
long,
Time
but
perception is fucking flawed. Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah, dude, that's like the white light. That's like
yeah. And then
5-MeO DMT, and that's
after
the
that,
source
and
apparently.
after that, I was like, oh, just like laughing, and like as I was talking about it earlier, like whatever I thought is going to happen, like
Hmm.
whatever I thought is going to happen, like I'll be like, oh, like I'm thinking like, hey, where is this person? Like, and like suddenly I look to my right, oh, that person is right there, dude. Oh, like where is that
Yeah.
person? Like I need to speak to this person, and like that person is right there, and like that's the conversation I'm
Okay.
having, and like we're going to have a laugh, and it's happened before it's actually happened. Is that making sense?
Oh,
Like,
okay. That makes sense. Yeah, I understood. I understood what
yeah,
you're saying.
like I've had the
So it's
talk
like you're
and we are
reliving like a
laughing,
past memory or something.
but in that instant,
In that
like a
instant,
few
yeah.
seconds of a lag, like I already experienced it, and then it is happening.
Okay, because with this 5-MeO stuff, like you're out of it. Like you are like good for a good
No,
10,
I'm
15
talking
minutes,
about
you're
this
out
is
of it.
after the white light thing. After
Oh,
the
okay.
white light
After
thing,
the white light thing.
after the white light thing, then things were happening. Like
Okay.
like I'm looking for someone, and then that person, and then I'm going
Yeah.
to have this conversation, and I had that conversation.
Oh, okay.
I'm going to have this, like I'm going to like look for this, and then there it is. And then I couldn't
Yeah.
see like, oh, okay, now I know that the sun is going to rise, and then I look and then the sun is rising, like all that
Rising,
kind
yeah.
of stuff, like, you know.
So you kind of know what's going to happen next, kind of a thing.
Yeah, or I'm projecting
Yeah.
it, I don't know.
Projecting it, yeah. Exactly.
I don't know.
Yeah, this stuff is
Yeah.
yeah, dude, it can get kind of crazy. But yeah, dude. So this Hari guy now, bro. So he's having these experiencing, like he's like really getting good things out of it. But what happens is now, bro, he comes out, he feels great for like a week or two,
Mm.
and then that ego comes back and he gets back into these patterns without realizing what all this is, like, you know. And he thinks that this experience is something that he has to go back to. So
Yeah,
he's created a concept out of this experience, and now he thinks that that is it, and you know, and every time he has to go back to that, and like everything else is kind of like meaningless, and that is like kind of his where
his
he's kind
pattern.
of stuck, you know.
Right,
This
right,
guy.
right, right. It's
So
it would happen.
his
It
pattern,
probably
yeah.
happened
So
to
he's been
quite a
caught in
few
this loop
people.
for a year, quite a few, because even that's the thing with psychedelics, now, bro. It's like
But
Alan
that's
Watts said
a
this, bro. Like once you get the message, like fucking hang up the phone. You know? Same did. Same thing, bro. After that trip,
yeah,
I tripped a bit, like, you know, probably like, yeah, I tripped a bit after that just to
yeah,
kind of figure things
yeah,
out.
yeah. Right, right,
But after a point, I was like, bro, why do I need it anymore? I'm
right.
done.
It's done.
It's taught me what it has to teach me. And yeah, I'm done.
That's what happened with like Ramdas and all as well, right? Like when they had like this peak experience, they
Yeah.
wanted to experience it again, and they wanted to, like he was looking at
Again.
like how to make it last like forever, right? So then they were
Exactly.
doing
But
like
you can't,
mushrooms,
because
then they were doing LSD, and then they're doing mushrooms and LSD, and then they're
exactly.
mixing MDMA, and then they're mixing this and that, and they're just trying to stretch it out. But they've always coming down, like then they're always going up, and then they're always coming down. Till he goes like, then
Yeah.
he's like, fuck all of this. Then he gets kicked out of that university, and then he goes like, let's go to India, let's see what these guys are all about. And then he
Yeah.
goes to India with a bunch of acid, and they keep trying, and then keep meeting
Then
some
he meets
people.
that guy, you know?
Then he meets that dude like Lahiri Baba, I
Maharaji.
think.
Maharaji.
Maharaji, yeah, Lahiri Baba.
Maharaji, yeah.
Yeah. And like he probably he says that he met a few before, but then that Lahiri Baba was the one, and like yeah, he probably, I think what he says is like he gave him some acid, and then yeah. But
That
yeah,
dude didn't feel anything, no?
yeah, he didn't feel anything. He probably, I think
Yeah, I think he
he
gave him
said that
2
he did
tabs or
like
3
2
tabs, and
tabs
he
or
didn't
3
even
tabs,
trip.
and he didn't even trip.
Yeah, because
But
I
feel
can, bro, because I can
that's
completely
possible.
understand this.
That's like completely
Bro,
understandable.
Merrick,
Like why you
have you
cannot
heard
trip.
of this? Have you heard of this this Buddhist monk who kind of burnt himself on fire? Have you
No,
heard of the story? You've
no.
never heard of the story? Oh,
Yeah.
dude, you should check this out. This Buddhist monk, he kind of, just to kind of show people, you know, what he's about and what this teaching and all this stuff is about.
Mhm.
He sat down, bro, as a protesting thing. He sat down and he just like lit himself on fire. He planned it, okay, with the other monks and stuff. They
Yeah.
planned all this, and the
Mhm.
next day he sat down, bro, and like this guy just put himself on fire, and he's not fucking moving, and he's burning. He's not moving though. So then people were like, what the fuck? And there's this famous kind of photographer who captured this moment. He's very famous because of that.
Okay.
And
Okay.
it's a famous story, dude. You should check it out.
Yeah,
This
send me
monk
a,
who kind of
if
burned
you
himself.
can shoot me a link, because if I open my browser,
I'll send you a link. Yeah, I'll send
yeah,
you
if
a
I
link.
open my browser, there'll probably be some internet lag. But
Because
yeah.
dude, when I connect to that presence I was talking about now, bro, it is like
Okay, but
you're
what
in a
happens?
timeless
What happens
space.
after he burns himself? He survives it?
Nothing, you know, he's dead. He's dead, but he didn't move. He didn't suffer. He didn't move. Like normally, dude, if somebody's burning, they'll be
They'll
screaming
be like
and
dancing.
crying, dancing
yeah,
or
like-
whatever. This guy
yeah.
didn't move. He just sat in his meditative pose and just burned peacefully, you know, like basically he's not affected by the flame.
Understood.
That goes to show,
understood.
bro, like, you know, like the soul is kind of fucking eternal, like, you know.
Right.
That's what it is. That's what he actually was trying to show.
Understood. No,
Yeah.
I understood the
Very
point
extreme
of it now.
though. Very extreme.
Yeah, I understood the point of it, but
Yeah.
yeah. So even the Wim Hof method, it comes from this Buddhist method called of Tumbo meditation, right?
And yeah, bro, it's like yoga also, like pranayamas and all that shit.
Right,
Heavy
right,
breathing,
right.
no?
Right,
It's heavy
right.
breathing, bro.
Right.
And you're
No,
increasing basically the
but you-
pH levels in your
know
blood.
how what the Buddhist, like the monks were doing for this Tumbo. So what they used to do is they used to go and sit. How they used to practice this. So on the cold nights, on the really cold nights, or even like on cold
Yeah.
nights, so in the mountains, in the cold nights, they used to wet blankets. Okay,
Hmm.
to make a blanket, soak a blanket in water, so it's cold on the outside. They used to go outside like in open air firstly.
Hmm.
Wet blankets, and then put them on put that on the shelf, and then do this heavy tumbo breathing, and then dry up the blanket,
Hmm.
dude, with their body heat.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
That's
that
cool.
yeah.
Because yeah, dude, because when I'm doing the breathing in the shower, I
Mhm.
can control my body heat. You know, when I'm
Exactly.
doing the breathing, I don't feel, and automatically my body gets hot. You know. So, bro, like that's what Wim Hof is saying. Now you can basically, with your breath, you can control this autonomous nervous system, which
Right.
science basically is saying that you cannot control. It's autonomous. You know.
Right.
And but this guy's proven, bro. He's proven like probably 10, 15 years back. But
Yeah,
again,
yeah,
these
yeah.
guys are not. There's so
Where
many
they
research
take him,
papers.
where
No
they take him
pharma
into the
companies.
hospital and they've like testing this Wim
Yeah.
Hof in the hospital, and this guy is like chilling.
Yeah, because this
I-
guy's giving you actually fucking cures to fucking cure
No, no,
inflammation and fucking shit like
right,
that.
right.
And which is, bro, is next level. Next level.
You know what test they did on him once, right? I think they inject him with a virus, and like
E.
he
coli
fights the
bacteria.
virus.
E. coli bacteria.
Yeah, and he fights it like
Yeah.
like there and
He
there,
fights
right?
it. Yeah. And bro, fuck that. Not even him. He gets fucking 15 people
To do
to
it.
do the same thing. He trains them for 1 week, and these guys also fight it.
Wow,
Imagine.
wow, yeah.
All of them,
Nice.
100% success rate.
Hard.
And bro, imagine. So, but think about it, no, but why is this not implemented? When you have everyone can do this, it's
Right.
free. But that's the reason why it's not implemented, because it's free. It's
Because it's
easily
free and
available,
anyone can
just like
yeah.
the mushrooms. Yeah, just like the
Just
mushrooms,
like the mushrooms,
bro.
yeah.
It's fucking these pharma companies. It's like they're, bro. Even think about things like beds and sofas and all that, bro. We are getting back pains and all that because of this stuff.
Because of this
you know?
shit, like because of
Yeah.
shit furniture, like fuck, like, yeah, I know.
Yeah, and
Like,
the
who
position
needs
we
this
sleep and all that. So
fancy
more
things?
so more comfort. Actually, what the world is providing right now is more comfort. But the
Hmm.
downside is fucking very bad, because the
So-
more comfort you get when you grow older, that comfort is going to fucking fuck you up
Exact,
even more. So it's
exact-
kind of in your younger years, you should endure more like discomfort, and then
exactly.
probably in your in your older years that'll help you.
You think that's what I now coming back to this. Remember, I was talking to you about David Goggins. So
Mhm.
exactly why he's running like an idiot. It's not like because he wants to run, because he needs to prove. Because discomfort is
Fight
your
that
friend.
discomfort. Yeah,
Yeah, because discomfort is
It
your
is.
friend. Like,
it is.
like if you sit and keep getting too comfortable and like fucking start shoving yourself with some things from the fridge and like just sitting down fucking
You're limited, no, bro. It's just like you're
entertaining
limited.
yourself with, like, entertainment is cheap now, dude. Like you can fucking put on Netflix, you can put, there's thousands of things, there's YouTube, there's fucking TikToks and whatnot, dude. Like it's fucking
Yeah.
crazy, the world. And like you can just like you can waste time and not like fucking, I mean, like your time will fly without like, by just you looking at your phone.
Phone, yeah, exactly. That's what, bro. I've to taken myself away from all these apps.
Yeah,
I've not kept them on my phone.
yeah, same.
I'm not using them. Probably okay. Maybe for my business or something later on, I might use it. But right now,
Right.
bro, bro, it's so peaceful. I've realized like, bro, fuck, my attention
So
span
much-
has increased.
So
It's so much more peace.
right.
You know?
So I've been using this old phone of mine for a while, right? Now since it's an old phone, and I used to live in this. So the pandemic has really like fucking helped me. It's probably not helped. I'm not
Yeah,
to
I
put
mean,
a
the
percentage.
pandemic has
Most
been
of the
great for me,
people,
bro.
yeah, the pandemic
It's
has been great for me. Yeah, like
It's been
isolation.
the best
has
year of
been,
my
like,
life.
the
I
best,
think.
yeah. Like from the past 2 years. So I was living in this apartment. It was just me and Melissa. The floor was carpeted. And like every time I'm
Yeah.
like, oh fuck, what am I doing? Like I had like Facebook or Instagram open. I just fling my phone because the house is carpeted. The
Yeah.
phone is just gone like flying on the
Won't
carpet, like
break.
no damn. Yeah, it's not gonna break. It's just like gone
Yeah.
sliding along the floor, and like, yeah, fuck, I need to get back into like sitting still and like I actually
Yeah,
the
bro,
first year
because-
of the pandemic was like when I could really like practice like sitting still, doing nothing.
Yeah, because bro, the power is doing nothing. Like once you
Yes,
can
yes.
understand, like bro, what you can get out of doing nothing, or even doing like simple tasks, bro. Like there's a different energy
Even like
feel
yeah,
that comes
exactly.
into it.
Like I used to like okay, like doing nothing now. Okay, now there's like a whole bunch of dishes to do. Let's go and do like the dishes. It's still like
Yeah.
yeah, it
So much
doesn't
peace.
matter. Like yeah, it doesn't
much
matter.
peace,
Like
no,
I
bro,
should go
because-
like
and
clean the
also-
toilet. Like yeah, do
And also,
whatever.
bro, when you're doing the dishes, like like how that Eckhart says it, bro. He's like, bro, be fully present.
right,
Like just when you're doing the dishes,
you're
just
doing
listen to
only
the
the
sound
dishes.
of the, listen to the sound of the
The-
listen to the sound of the water.
Feel
like
the
see where
water.
the fucking feel it basically.
Yeah,
you know?
feel the.
Be aware of
we
everything that's
have-
happening to you.
So I
And
there's
bro,
this
you
nice-
realize that you're not even doing it; it's just happening, and
it's
there's
just
some
happening.
kind of
It's just
like
happening.
yeah, it's just happening, and you're observing it. You know,
Right, right.
Yeah.
There's this nice image. So it's like there's like 5 horses, and it's a chariot, but with 5 horses. Yeah. And then there's
Yeah.
like a person riding the horses, and then there's a riding the chariot, and then there's a person sitting in the chariot. let
Oh,
me
nice.
find it. Yeah, okay. Now the 5 horses are your senses. Let me
Okay.
find it, dude. The 5 horses. So one is like eyesight, one is smell, one is taste, one is touch, one is hearing, right?
Yeah.
Uh, and yeah, I need to. I can't
Yeah, because that
remember it.
Eckhart says that these 5 senses or what, that's like your access point into the present moment. But it goes beyond that.
It goes beyond that, right?
It goes beyond that. Yeah.
So
It's
it's
bro. Basically it's like Sam Harris calls it non-dual mindfulness. It's when basically, like, when you reach a stage where like there's no object subject. Basically, you are the subject of everything.
you are the subject of everything, right?
Yeah, you are the subject of everything.
Or like yeah, there's
And
no
bro,
subject object, and like there's only like even like I think the last time I was talking to someone, like even now this conversation, like am I having
Yeah.
with this conversation with you? Like like is there a Gareth behind this thing?
exactly. Like
Is there a
who's a
Merrick
Gareth or
behind this
like
thing?
yeah,
Like who's having
exactly,
this
because it
conversation?
seems like all one thing.
Like
It
who's
all seems
having
like
this
one thing.
conversation?
Like,
Yeah,
it's like, yeah, it's like I'm having a conversation with Merrick in my it's yeah, it's complicated, bro.
yeah.
It's
And
like
like
consciousness is talking to
who's Merrick?
consciousness
Like
in consciousness.
yeah, like if for me,
Yeah.
like like if I go to say what who's Gareth? Like Gareth is like someone like I've probably created in my own head, right? But is that really
Yeah,
Gareth? Like
because see,
like
Gath has different versions. Like
right?
your understanding of Gath will be different, my girlfriend's understanding will be different, my mother's understanding will be different. So
Exactly.
who's Gareth?
And
So
your
who's
own
Gareth?
understanding will be
Will
different.
be different. Exactly.
And you as Gareth itself, you
Yeah.
don't know whether you understand yourself like completely, right? Like
Exactly,
we are
because
still
even
evolving. We are
myself keeps
still
changing.
yeah, we are
It's
still
always
evolving.
changing.
Right.
Yeah. So
Okay. So
but there's one thing, Merrick, that doesn't change, and that is you.
that
Because
is
that
like
has been
that
there
is the
since you were.
everything. Like that
That has
is
been
like the all.
yeah, and that has been there. That's your presence. That's been
Yeah.
there since you were a kid. That's been there. That's there right now.
That's
And nothing can
there.
happen. That's the eternal subject of everything.
Yeah, that's there before you were a kid. So that's always going to be there, like whether you
That's
exist or
always
don't
there.
exist. Yeah.
Exactly. That's the tricky thing, bro. It's like,
That's the
bro, what
tricky
the
thing.
fuck?
Yeah. And like for
It's
yes, for some
wow.
people
Wow.
probably this is yeah, you can't digest. Like
I
some
can't,
people
bro.
won't
This
be able to
because my
digest
life
this
is like,
matter.
yeah, because dude, I've told my parents this, I told everyone. So like for me, it's like, yeah, bro, like this is it. I cannot find something better than this now. Like, like whatever it is, I like there is nothing like I can go to, like, that's better than this.
Right.
Yeah, there's nothing. So yeah.
But also like talking about that,
Hmm.
so like if you think about Buddha, like when Buddha, the Gautam Buddha, this is like
Yeah.
when he started his way, like he abandoned everything, right? He abandoned the palace, he abandoned his wife, he abandoned his kid,
Yeah.
and he went
Yeah.
to this. He went on this journey of like I don't know, like I don't know exactly what journey,
Self-realization.
self-realization, but like along the path and like along his
To
path,
figure shit out.
yeah,
Yeah.
along his path, he was probably preaching to people, and like there were more people following him. But also people argue, like for
Hmm.
some people, like for some people who are following him,
Hmm.
it was a way of escaping. Like if I'm a carpenter and I feel like, oh, my life is shit, like my life is shit,
100%.
yeah, my
100%.
life is shit,
100%.
my wife is giving me problem, my kids are hassling me, I have too much
Yeah.
of responsibility. Okay, I'll just
Yeah.
follow this dude and see what happens, right?
Exactly. And
And
that's what's happening with most of the people on the spiritual path, bro. It's
Yeah.
like they've created an identity of this thing. And it's,
then
again,
they're
it's-
dropping
yeah,
their responsibility.
yeah, that's what, no, bro. This idea of like when you're on this path, you have to kind of let go of things and not do this. It's all bullshit. It's not that. That's again
Exactly.
a concept. That's
Exactly.
again a concept. It's not like that, bro. Because what I feel is the more I connect to this, bro, I want to be with more people. I
You
want to
with
kind
more
of be more lovable.
maybe even like
want-
on the point of
yeah.
like being responsible for some of the things, right? Like if you think like whether you are responsible for something or like having like a dedication, like or like a something that you need to give back to your family, give back to society.
No, see that I
Yeah.
don't get, bro. Because
Identify
I feel
with,
like
right.
that doesn't come too much to me. Because again, if I think about those things now, bro, I think that's the mind that does all that.
That's the mind
know?
that does all that. Like, but at the end of it, like if you go back to like the loving part of it, you want to give back, like give back to. So you're going to start with, firstly I would say, like you want to start with giving back to yourself. Like only
Yeah,
like
no,
when you
because see,
learn
dude,
how to give back to yourself, then you can
because dude,
then you
Merrick,
can
when you're
expand it from yourself to
because see,
society,
yeah,
to family, and
because
then
what I
society.
feel is no,
Mm-hmm.
when I'm connected to that, like bro, it's just like I don't know, bro. Like there's some kind of like that. There have been days where I was just like sobbing for like random
Right.
things like that. You know, I felt in that. I don't know, bro. It's so weird. You feel like this energy kind of field coming, like working through you and stuff like
Mm.
that. It's again like it's very woo woo. I don't know how to describe this, bro. But again, I'm just beginning to kind of understand this, dude. It's
Right.
a
Right.
long fucking way ahead. But what I feel is like when I'm connected to that now, bro, I'm not thinking in terms of person. So there is nothing to feel actually bad or good about anything in that state, you know, because in
Yeah.
that
Yeah.
state there is because good and bad only
The-
comes from the human mind,
Right.
you know.
And it says
In
like
that
it only
state there
comes from
is
intellect and
it's,
understanding. Like
yeah, intellect, because in that state you're
intellect,
not thinking, you're kind of you're completely, bro, you're like in that
nothing.
zone where you're, yeah, there's not even
Nothing.
nothing.
Yeah.
It's like, because I'm not that deep in it also, where it's like complete nothing, like, you know, all these like the Buddha and all that. I don't think it's that level, or Eckhart and all, but it's like a
Mhm.
surface level
No,
where it's just
like
like, yeah, like I can't kind of associate with this person that I am. So when I'm in that state, it's like the words that will come out won't come out as a person. It'll come out in terms of like, you know, it won't be like Gareth would say this, you know.
right, right.
It'll
But
there'll be a
coming back to
different
that, I remember you were talking about it. We were probably talking about it on a phone, on a call last time, maybe some months
Hmm.
ago or something. You don't want to put like any of these people and these like preachers or any of these guys sharing it on the pedestal. Like, oh, I cannot do
exactly.
what this guy is doing, or that guy
That's
is
again a
like,
concept.
yeah,
That's
like
again a
that guy is
concept.
like way greater than me.
Yeah, because again, bro, it's like this thing is like, bro, it's not even looking at things as bad, good, up, down. It is just looking at
Yes,
things as neutral, completely neutral.
yeah.
Like completely taking a step back and looking at things. And bro, when
Mhm.
you take a step back, you look at, it's like you're watching a movie. You're not in the movie, but you're
You're
watching the
watching the
movie
movie. Yeah, yeah.
without any kind of sentiment. You're just watching as that witnessing presence.
Witnessing.
So there's
Witnessing.
no
Yeah.
witnessing as the witness, you know, because
Yeah.
whatever we do, bro, right now, this conversation also we are having, there's a
Yeah.
witness to this. So what
Right.
is that witness? You know, because like even Eckhart says it, bro. He's like, bro, like that. Oh, sorry, Muji says this. He's like, bro, you cannot observe the observer. You can only be the observer.
Right. Right. Right.
You know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. This was a good chat, Gareth. Again, we'll have to like
Yeah.
put it all of it together and then see.
Nah, definitely, bro.
Gonna,
So let's end this session,
yeah.
and we
Let's end
can
this
do one
session.
later. Let's end this session.
Yeah. Yeah. I'll probably Monday or something. We'll work something out over
Yeah. Whenever,
over
just send
WhatsApp.
me a
Yeah.
message.
Do you
and we can
use
figure it
Signal
out.
by any chance or just WhatsApp?
Signal. Nah, just WhatsApp, bro.
Okay. Cool.
Pretty
Cool,
basic.
cool.
Yeah.
Even I've not yet started using it, but I was wondering whether we should.
Yeah. Anyway, man, you take care,
Cool.
dude.
Cool. Take care. Good night. See you.
Okay, good night. Sure. Bye.